I have here the presentation. Let me just go to a bigger screen. And as I said, this is the compensation plan. So I'm going to skip all the history about the company and I go straight to the packages. So the packages start from $100 and it goes up to $50,000. The company pays you up to 2.5 a day. So for example, yesterday they paid 1.6, the day before 1.5, last week they were 1.8, even one day it was 2.0. So that's why I like it, and it's very sustainable, because they will trade. If they do badly, they will pay what they make. If they do good, they will pay up to 2.5. So we've got also reference bonus. You get 6% of those that you refer. So if you refer someone and they enter with bought 100, you're gonna get 6%. That's gonna be $6. Bought 300, you get 18, and so on and so on. You can just have a look there. It gives you exactly how much you will get for each package that you refer someone. This is called direct bonus or reference bonus. Then we also have binary bonus. So 1 point is equal to $1. So let's suppose that you register someone here with bought 1,000. That is 1,000 points. So you're going to receive 10% of that, assuming that you already qualified. For you to qualify, you need to put one on the left, one on the right, with a minimum of $100. There is also a $10 to activate. So it's gonna be mentioning at the bottom. So here, for example, in this example, this guy is qualified already and he had 12,400 points on his left, 9,000 on his right. So it means that he will receive 10% of all of those points. This 9,000 points equals to 9,000 in investment. For example, it could be 9 accounts of bought 1,000 or 3 of 3,000, doesn't matter. Then he's gonna get 900. Now remember that the cap of binary is the same amount as your package. Then we also have the career plan and the residual income. For you to understand the residual income, you're gonna receive 2% of each level. For example, for those that you refer, and when you have 1,000 points on your left, 1,000 points on your right, then you're gonna be receiving for the first level. Once you go to the next star, you need to have at least 4,000 points on your smallest leg for you to be able to receive 2% of everyone directly on your network for level 2, and so on as you jump from star to star. The last one is star 10. You need 10 million points and you're gonna get 2% up to level 10. Then you're gonna start getting the career plan. You go for an iPhone X, but you need to have at least a direct sponsor with star 1 on each leg. Then it just keeps going and going and going. You can have a look at this. It's on my website, or ask for us to send. Now here's some more important information. The withdrawal request fee is 5%, and the minimum to withdraw is $50. The daily gain will be paid at 00 hours from South Korea time, and it's paid Monday to Friday. The payment of as it's saying there, the payment is done at 00 hour of Korea. The binary cap is the same as your package, and the residual bonus is 2% from the smallest leg once you jump star to star. Upgrades can only be paid in Bitcoin, and also to enter the company can be paid in Bitcoin. The payment is done in Bitcoin for you. You will get up to 400. So if you put 100, when you make 400, you have to renew. That needs to be done in Bitcoin. Any upgrades, you just pay the difference, and every time you contact support, they will respond within 24 hours or less. So that's a short presentation about the compensation plan.